Hello, Sunflowers. Welcome to Sunflower Haven Upcycling's DIY doll furniture tutorial. In your kit, you will find one piece of doll furniture, one container of wood stain, one container of paint, one foam brush, one detailing brush, one strip of 80 grit sandpaper, and one strip of 220 grit sandpaper. First, you're going to start with your 80 grit sandpaper, and you're going to use this to scuff your surfaces. Some of these pieces have a little sealant coat on top that is used to repel like water, kind of preserve the wood. So if you want your paint to adhere to your furniture, you definitely want to take the time to prepare your surfaces. And this is going to happen with your 80 grit. You're just going to go all the way around just as so, and you're going to scuff it. This is going to help, again, your paint to adhere. You do this for regular size furniture as well as the doll furniture because this is real wood furniture, okay? So we will prep with the 80 grit first. Make sure you give everything a good little scuff. And once you've done that, you're going to come in with your 220 grit, which is a little finer. So this is now going to sand down the roughness that the 80 grit would have left. Go ahead and do a finger test with your finger, and you will feel the difference on the smoothness. It's not as coarse. So that's going to give you a really nice smooth texture for your paint to go onto your wooden piece here. Now that you have completed your sanding phase, you're going to go ahead and take your detailing brush for these smaller areas, and the color selection is yours. You can go with either the paint or the wood stain. I've given you a couple of selections here. Normally on regular furniture, I would leave the top at natural wood, and I would paint the spools. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can do so. This design is literally yours. There is no right or wrong way to design your little furniture. This is your vision, your imagination. I provided you the kit. You have the vision. So go ahead and choose your design. There are endless options that you can choose. If you have other paints available at home, you can go ahead and also use those. You can use acrylic paint, chalk paint, latex paint. Really, it doesn't matter. Just a little FYI, if you do choose to use latex-based paint, which is the kind of paint you would find at Home Depot or Lowe's, the major box stores, that is not sandable paint. If you try sanding latex paint, it will turn into a rubber on you, and it makes it really hard to take it off. So there's just an FYI with the latex paint. Just for the future, if you want to refinish your little furniture again, that might be a problem that you might run into. But as far as chalk paint, matte paint, you could order matte paint at your big box stores, and it works just the same as chalk paint. So that is a little tip for you guys. All right, so we're going to go ahead and keep painting this, but I would love to see your guys' creations. If you have any unique designs, if you went ahead and added some patterns or some cute little artistic touches, please tag us. Follow us on our TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channel. You can find us on all our social medias under Sunflower Haven Upcycling. Thank you for your purchase, and I hope you enjoy your kit.